How to fix WhatsApp not showing contact name. If you are having this issue in your WhatsApp application, then to fix it, this video is for you. First of all, go through your settings on your device. From there, hit on General. Now, go through the iPhone storage and then search for WhatsApp application. Here you will see two options, that is offload app and delete app. Now, do offload app and then again hit on the offload app. Now go through your app store again and on the searching bar search for WhatsApp and reinstall your application again. Then log into your account and your issue will be solved. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.